Fujitsu's PRIMEQuest E-Series mission-critical servers provide the industry's most robust x86 platform. Based on the latest Intel Xeon E7 family x86 processors, PRIMEQuest offers reliability rivaling that of a mainframe and is the ideal platform for mission-critical systems. The PRIMEQuest E-Series supports many unique, advanced mission-critical features to ensure that customers can rely on PRIMEQuest for their most critical work. Backed by Fujitsu's high-quality systems design, the server supports physical partitioning. This function allows the system boards, I/O units, and other resources inside the chassis to be electrically isolated and operate as independent systems. The dynamic reconfiguration and extended partitioning functions featured on PRIMEQuest E-Series servers provide superior availability and flexibility. Let's start by taking a look at dynamic reconfiguration. Dynamic reconfiguration is an advanced function that allows system resources to be added or removed while the system is running, an essential feature for maintaining continuous operation. For example, if a rise in workload makes it necessary to add system resources, a system board can be added while the server is running. Let's see how it's actually done. With PRIMEQuest, the process is remarkably quick and easy, using the advanced features of the MMB Server Management Board. Here we see that System Board 0, 1, and 2 are running, and set as Partition 0. Let's look at the chassis. The green LEDs for System Board 0, 1, and 2 are all lit, so they are definitely running. Looking at the system's operating status, it can be seen that the CPU load is already high. This means that more resources must be added to handle any increase in workload. So, with the system still running, let's add a new system board. Next, on the MMB command line interface, we set the system board that we just added to Partition 0. As you can see, adding the board to a partition is simple. A quick check shows the system board LEDs are all lit up and everything is operating smoothly. Now let's see how the system load has changed. Adding the new system board has reduced the load on the partition, which is now able to handle an increase in workload. As you have just seen, PRIMEQuest makes it possible to add resources such as CPUs and memory to handle a higher workload without shutting down the system. Besides adding resources, dynamic reconfiguration's other important feature is high serviceability. Hardware can be easily replaced while the system is running. When anticipating a hardware failure, previous systems had to be shut down to replace components. But now this can be done with the system running. Let's see how it's done. On the chassis, System Board 0, 1, and 2 are all operating on Partition 0. But signs of System Board 2's impending failure have been detected. With the system operating, System Board 2 is removed from Partition 0 like this. System board 2 is then replaced with a new board. And the new system board is added to partition 0. A look at the chassis shows that the new system board 2 has begun operating smoothly. As you've just seen, dynamic reconfiguration on PrimeQuest enables the addition of resources and preventive hardware maintenance without shutting down the system, enabling smooth, uninterrupted operation. Next, let's take a look at extended partitioning, an advanced function available only on PrimeQuest E-Series servers. Extended partitioning is a hardware function for dividing partitions previously allocated by system board into even smaller partitions, enabling more effective utilization of PrimeQuest's ample resources. Offering high fault isolation capability, this simple-to-use function requires no third-party hypervisor license fee. Let's see how it's done. The system is currently operating on system board 0, but the CPU utilization rate is low, so we'll use extended partitioning for more effective resource utilization. First, using the server management screen, we partition system board 0. System board 0 is now divided into 2 partitions. Then we power up the extended partition we just made and run the system. In this way, extended partitioning can be used as a standard hardware function to optimize resources such as the CPU and memory by simply using the MMB server management board. As you have just seen, the extended partitioning function of the PrimeQuest E-Series provides superior fault isolation capability with optimized server integration for mission-critical operations. The functions you have seen are unique to PrimeQuest and are not found on any other x86 server. Fujitsu's PrimeQuest is a mission-critical server that goes far beyond the conventional concept of an x86 server, offering the same high reliability and high availability as a mainframe to enable uninterrupted operation and keep your business running.